Have you ever wanted to talk to someone in English, but you just did not know how to begin? Maybe you felt nervous, or you worried about making a mistake. You are not alone. Starting a conversation in English can feel scary, but it does not have to be. Today, I will show you how to start any conversation in English, step by step. By the end of this episode, you will have the tools and confidence to say hello, ask questions, and keep the conversation going, no matter where you are or who you are talking to. And if you stay with me until the end, I will share my favorite secret for making every conversation feel easy and natural, even if you're a beginner. So, are you ready to unlock your English? Let's get started. Welcome to the Unlock English podcast. I'm Alex, and I'm here to help you speak English with confidence every single day. Many English learners know a lot of words, but they still feel stuck when it's time to talk to someone new. Why? Because starting a conversation is not just about vocabulary, it's about knowing what to say first and how to keep things simple and friendly. The good news? You don't need perfect grammar or a big vocabulary to start a great conversation. You just need a few easy steps and a little practice. In this episode, I will teach you the 4 steps to start any conversation in English. And later, I will share a bonus tip that will help you sound more natural and confident, even if you're nervous. Let's begin with the first step, greetings. A greeting is your first way of saying, I'm friendly and I want to talk. The best part? Greetings are simple, and you already know some of them. The most common greetings in English are hello, hi, good morning, good afternoon, good evening. You can use hello or hi with anyone, your friends, your teacher, a shop worker, or even a stranger. Hello is friendly and safe for every situation. Hi is a little more casual, but it's also very common. If you want to be polite, you can use the time of day. Good morning, from when you wake up until 12 p.m. Good afternoon, from 12 p.m. to about 6 p.m. Good evening, after 6 p.m. But remember, good night is not a greeting. We only say good night when we're leaving, usually before going to bed. Let's practice together. Imagine you walk into a cafe at 10 a.m. What do you say? That's right. Good morning. Now, imagine it's 7 p.m. and you meet a friend. What do you say? Exactly. Good evening. See? You already know how to greet people in English. And just by saying hello or hi, you have started a conversation. Now, let's move to the next step. Asking, how are you? And introducing yourself. After you greet someone, you need to show that you care about them. That is why English speakers often ask, how are you? It is a simple question, but it is very important. You can say, how are you? How's your day? How are you doing? And what can you answer? Here are some easy, natural replies. I am fine, thank you. And you? I am good, thanks. I am great. Not bad, thanks. I am okay. You do not have to say, I am fine, thank you, every time. Try different answers to sound more natural. Let's practice. I will ask you, how are you? Now, answer out loud. Great job! Now, ask me, how are you, Alex? I'm great. Thank you for asking. If you are meeting someone for the first time, you should also introduce yourself. You can say, my name is Alex, or I'm Alex. Then ask for their name. What is your name? When you hear their name, say, nice to meet you. And they will probably say, nice to meet you too, Alex. Let's try a quick role play. You, hello, my name is Maria. What is your name? Me, hi Maria, I'm Alex. Nice to meet you. You, nice to meet you too, Alex. See how easy that was? With just a greeting, a question, and your name, you have started a real conversation. Now let's talk about how to keep the conversation going. This is where many learners get stuck. But don't worry, I will show you some easy conversation starters. The weather is the most popular topic in English small talk. You can say, it is a beautiful day today. It is raining a lot. It is very hot today. The other person will usually agree, and now you're talking. Another great way to start a conversation is to give a compliment. For example, I like your bag. Your shoes are nice. That's a great jacket. Most people will smile and say, thank you. This makes the conversation friendly and positive. You can also ask simple questions about their day. How was your day? Are you having a good day? What are you doing today? Let's put it all together. You, hi, good afternoon. Me, hello. You, how are you? Me, I'm good, thanks. And you? You, I'm great. By the way, I like your backpack. Me, thank you. That is very kind. You, are you having a good day? Me, yes, it's going well. How about you? You, it's good, thanks. Let's review the 4 steps. Greet the person. Hello, hi, good morning. Ask how they are. How are you? Introduce yourself. My name is. Use a conversation starter, whether compliment or question. Here's my favorite secret. A smile is the best way to start any conversation. When you smile, people feel comfortable and want to talk to you. Even if your English isn't perfect, a smile shows you're friendly and open. Now, it's your turn. Go out and try these steps today. Start a conversation in English, even if it's for just 1 minute. And if you found this episode helpful, please subscribe, leave a comment, and share your favorite way to start a conversation in English. Remember, every conversation is a chance to practice and improve. Keep practicing, keep smiling, and I will see you in the next episode.